Morning children, today we are going to discuss about respiration in humans, class 7, uh, chapter respiration in the organisms. This is part of this chapter, that means we are going to discuss only about the respiration in human beings. Children will know that like digestion, excretion, circulation, in that way, it is also another system, respiratory system, we can say. Respiratory system, it is called under the respiratory system. Otherwise, you can say human or respiratory system. But what is respiration? Actually, friends, respiration is a biological process in which we take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide, and that oxygen is used by the body in order to release energy. You can say simply carbon dioxide plus energy. Simply. Simply, you can write 4 plus oxygen and it is equal to carbon dioxide energy. So we take oxygen, we release what carbon dioxide. In this process, it is a chemical process, friends. It is a chemical process. Chemical process which is called oxidation reaction. Oxidation reaction. That means the reaction which is taking place in the presence of oxygen is called oxidation reaction, which is a chemical process in which oxygen is used and carbon dioxide is produced along with what energy. Okay, friends. So this is called respiration. So respiration is a biological process in which oxygen is taken in by the body for the use of or for the production of energy from the food and release of carbon dioxide. But what our respiration, because types of respiration we are taking about types of respiration. Respiration is of friends of two types. We can say aerobic respiration, aerobic respiration. Another is your anaerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. Okay, friends. Respiration is of two types. One is of aerobic respiration, another is anaerobic respiration. What do you mean by aerobic respiration? Means in the presence of oxygen, presence of oxygen gas. If the respiration is taking place in the presence of oxygen gas, that is called what? Aerobic respiration. And if it is that it is absence of oxygen. In this case, absence of oxygen also respiration take place, in which, for example, in the absence of oxygen, respiration take place in the muscle cell of our body, muscle cells, number one, or by the yeast. Yeast also performs what respiration in the absence of oxygen. Friends, हमारा respiration ये दो टाइप का है। वह पहला है जो एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन बोलते हैं, कुछ ऑक्सीजन का प्रेजेंस में हो रहा है, एंड दूसरा कुछ अनएरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन व्हिच टेक प्लेस इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, या एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन में हो रहा है। एब्सेंस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन कहाँ हो रहा है? ये मसल्स, हमारा बॉडी का जो मसल सेल है, समटाइम्स वो रेस्पिरेट्स in the absence of oxygen, producing what? Producing lactic acid. We will talk about later. But in this case, yeast also respires. Yeast also respires in the absence of oxygen, producing alcohol. And in this case, lactic acid is produced. In this case, alcohol is produced. This process is called fermentation. Is it right? We'll talk about later in this case. Okay, friends. Let us go move first. And we know that what is the respiration, what type of respiration. Let us discuss about the steps of respirations. Human respiration, we are talking about. Respiration in humans is divided into parts. That is called, one is called physical process, another is called chemical process. So one is a physical process, Another is called chemical process. This physical process is called otherwise breathing. So friends, breathing is a physical process, not the actual respiration. The actual respiration is taking place in the cell, which is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. So this breathing is again divided into two types: inhalation and exhalation. What do you mean by inhalation and exhalation? Taking in of oxygen gas towards the body or into the body just. So taking of this oxygen is called inhalation, and giving out of carbon dioxide. So when we are giving out carbon dioxide, this is in this case carbon dioxide is removed. In this case, gas is taken. So oxygen gas is taken. This is the aroma indicating the oxygen was taken, and this is removal of carbon dioxide. So this process, this inhalation and exhalation, which takes place due to expansion and contraction of chest cavity, which take place due to the contraction and expansion of the chest cavity. Okay, friends. So some reactions are taking place during the chemical reaction or chemical reactions during the respiration. Chemical reaction number one: in the absence of oxygen, muscle cells conduct the following chemical process: what? Food, otherwise you can say glucose is broken down in the absence of oxygen. Otherwise you can say, right, absence of oxygen produces what? Lactic acid plus energy. So in the absence of oxygen, it produces lactic acid and energy. Number two, in yeast, in the absence of oxygen also, yeast conducts its respiration process, producing alcohol, carbon dioxide, and what? Energy. So we can write glucose. Then we can say absence of oxygen is equal to alcohol plus carbon dioxide gas plus energy. सो फ्रेंड्स ये याद रखो आपको ये क्या इन मसल सेल में जब एक sometimes we say that this is absence of oxygen is also called as lack of oxygen. That means insufficient of oxygen when we are running, we are walking, we are in a physical activities tremendously, but at that time lack of oxygen is there, and absence in that case lack of oxygen our muscle cells conduct respiratory system or respiration process and produces what? Lactic acid and energy. Sometimes this lactic acid get deposited what in your body causing muscle cramps. So it is very important. Muscle cramp is taking place due to lactic acid deposition. Due to the deposition of lactic acid in your body, our muscle get cramped sometimes due to heavy work. Okay, friends. These are the chemical process which carried out in the absence of oxygen. Let us see the presence of oxygen. What is the chemical process? What is the product during the presence of oxygen? in presence of oxygen. This respiration takes place in the cell, that is within the cell it takes place in the mitochondria. Dear students, inside the cell there is a structure called mitochondria. Mitochondria causes what respiration, cellular respiration. That respiration is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. Otherwise, you can say in higher classes we will learn that is called glycolysis and Krebs cycle. These are the two steps in which energy is released inside the cell. So see, number one, the chemical process involved is glucose, oxygen, in the presence of oxygen to carbon dioxide, plus water, plus energy. So friends, in this process, what in the presence of oxygen, glucose is broken down into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Okay, friends, this is the what cellular respiration which taking place in the presence of oxygen. Okay, so this is all about the short details about the human respiration or respiration in humans. Okay, friends, this is conducted by the respiratory system. This is all about today's class.